Hi everyone, so your 350 grant application got denied and then you appealed, but then they declined your Sassa grant appeal as well. I'm Rahima and here's what to do next. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships and bursaries, as well as any information you may need about studying and your future career. With millions of Sassa grant applications for the SRD coming through each month, it is no surprise that some may be rejected. However, Sassa then gives applicants the option to appeal their rejected SRD grant application. But what happens if your Sassa appeal isn't successful either? Once the appeal has been processed and it's seen that the rejection status remains, many applicants will then be wondering what steps next to take. The independent tribunal, who is in charge of the Sassa grant appeals, has said that no further internal recourse will be available. The only option after this is to go to the High Court for judicial review within the period of 180 days from receiving the appeal outcome. So if you submitted an appeal and you want to do a Sassa status check, here's how to do so. First, you have to visit the appeals website by going to srd.dsd.gov.za. Then click on the green bar and fill in your ID number and your phone number you use to submit your application. Click Send PIN to get a one-time PIN or OTP, which will be sent to your phone number. Once you receive the PIN, you will then have to fill it in order to access your Sassa status. So the main reason behind SRD grant applications being rejected is that the applicants do not meet the income threshold and are found to be receiving alternative sources of income. But if you are rejected for these reasons and you don't actually receive an income, you can appeal. You can appeal by going to the SRD website, srd.dsd.gov.za, and click on the green bar. From there, follow the prompts and provide the necessary information. For a step-by-step guide on how to appeal, watch our previous videos that we covered. Once the appeal has been submitted, the independent tribunal will aim to finalize the appeal within 60 to 90 days from the date the appeal was received. Comment down below if you have any Sassa related questions. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.